Alright, this is Dogwood Canyon Nature Park in Missouri. And this is the month of May 2018. And this is the back side of the entry as you get into the park. And just a beautiful area here. Do a quick panorama. They have walking, biking, hiking, almost everything you'd want to do here. This is the waterfall on the back side of the chapel, and they're setting up for a wedding here later today. Just gorgeous how they built around this winding river. This is Thunder Falls. Thunder Falls is one of the tram tour stops, or you can take a bicycle, or you can walk like we were doing today, getting some exercise. There's a picnic table over there, there's a bike stand, trash, and a nice little paved area here. Alright, we're still at Dogwood, and it goes a couple miles, and it's just beautiful the whole way. And actually walking, that's a really long distance, so we're probably only going to do 3/4 of this and come back. Alright, I just wanted to say this about this park. You know, I saw YouTube videos and I did a lot of reading, but I didn't apparently do enough. This park goes back at least a couple miles. And no wonder they have a tram ride, because it goes back a couple miles. No wonder they rent bikes because of that. If you're walking, it's a long distance. So, and there's so much beautiful stuff to see here. They've got a great design of this river and waterfalls and little bridges everywhere. And it's worth seeing the entire park and coming back, but walking's a bit. So I highly recommend you bring your own bikes. They still charge a bike fee for that, but I think you save $5 or $10 if you bring your own bikes. You know, you could take the tram tour, but it goes so fast you don't really get to see the beauty. You don't get to see the rest. You don't get to see things at your own pace, which is nice. So I highly recommend the bikes.